Hello ladies and gents, Ro here and welcome to Normal Films. Today we're going to be continuing our iMovie tutorials, but today we're actually going to be, I'm making another part to my previous how to export and upload iMovie tutorial. This is the new version of iMovie. Let me open it up and show you guys. But like I said, if this is your first time watching this on my channel and you see it's part 2 in the title, I recommend you watch part 1 before you watch this part, because it's going to clear some things up as to what I'm doing. But let's just jump right in. And first things first, I'm going to show you guys iMovie properties. I also made a tutorial on this. I'll have that in the description as well for you guys to check out. Be sure to check out that video as well if you haven't yet. And properties can either be brought up by hitting Command J on your keyboard, and you'll see right here. But as soon as if your mouse is on this side, the properties will go away. And what you want to do is put your mouse on this side and hit Command J, and your properties will come up here, iMovie properties. Or you can simply go click on your project down here and then scroll over. Just come over here, not going into your project, because you can see it just went away. Click on your project, and there you have your iMovie properties. It'll tell you the definition, where you've exported it, or when have you exported it before, and then you can go to settings. But my previous video, my video that I'll have a link in the description for you guys, iMovie properties, we'll actually discuss the rest of these items here. But I just wanted to show you guys this. Some of you left a comment regarding how do you find the iMovie properties, and here you guys are. That's your iMovie properties. But now to begin, in order to export, when you export your project, okay, you just created a nice project here. As you see in this video, we have our nice project named iMovie Tutorials. It's all ready to upload. So what I'm going to do, before you upload, you want to make sure that your project is selected, or you click on your project somewhere in the project. You don't want to select one of the clips below in your library, in your events. You don't want to, let's say, okay, look, I have this selected. Now you go up to Share to Export. And for this example also, I do recommend you, like I said already, watch the previous tutorial. I'm going to be going to File. That's the normal way I export. And File. You can still do YouTube. You can do that. You just have to sign in. And but like I said, check out the previous tutorial. Now I'm going to go to File. And you can see here, since I had this sad face selected, it's only going to export that sad face as an image, basically. And it gives you these different odd looking formats. So what you want to do, you want to first make sure you have your project selected. Like you have it selected, you have your project selected, the one you want to export, it's all ready to upload. Now here we are, we're going to do that right now. You go File, and I'm going to name it iMovie Tutorials. I'm going to make sure, yeah, this looks like my project here. And it's 30 seconds. This is what the size is going to be of it, megabytes, 77.1 megabytes. And if you lower the quality, you'll notice that the size of it reduces substantially. But we're going to go HD 1080p. Actually, for this example, we're just going to go 720p, just for time's sake. And then you can also see the compatibility. You really don't need to worry about this, because if it's compatible with the Mac and PC, that means it will be compatible with everything else as well. And add to theater, we're not going to do that right now either. So I'm going to hit next, and I want to save it straight to my desktop. That way it comes up right on my desktop, and I'm going to name it iMovie Tutorials. And just hit save, and now it will begin exporting. And as you will see, here you are. Here's the file on my desktop to the right-hand side, and on iMovie itself, it shows the top right-hand corner. It says Processing, Transcoding, iMovie Tutorials. Right here in the circle will slowly fill up, meaning that it's getting closer to finishing processing. And you just want to wait for that. It shouldn't take, especially if it's a 30-second clip, it shouldn't take no longer than 5 minutes. Honestly, if it's taking 3 hours, that means something's selected wrong, and I suggest you delete this project and create a new project and try it in a different project. Like, I think I just said project like 5 times in a row. But while we're waiting for that, I've mentioned this in previous tutorials several times. There are a lot of bugs in this new version of iMovie, and the best way to help Apple solve these is I'm going to leave another link in the description below. So there's going to be 3 links, one for a video for the previous part of how to export and upload, and another for a video for about iMovie properties, and a link that goes straight directly to Apple support regarding iMovie. And you can actually leave your own discussion there and let Apple know of any problems you're having. That way they can actually help you solve those problems, and they can actually help you. They'll actually patch those bugs or glitches that you're discovering on your in your iMovie that you're having problems with. But yeah, and so yeah, here we are. My project just done. It popped up. I'm gonna exit out of it, and it's right here on my desktop now. Now I'm gonna actually just drag this a little bit to the side here now. That way I can see it here. But other than that, like I just said, I'm gonna continue with the Apple support. You can also leave a comment below on this video as well if you have any other questions as well. And like I said, I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll do my best on helping you or answer any questions you have. But here we are. We're gonna go straight into my YouTube channel, and we're gonna go to upload now, and I'm gonna actually drag my file straight back in here. And as you can see, it exported as a QuickTime file. If I double click it, it's a .mp4 format. So I can simply drag and drop in here, or I can click on it and upload and grab it from my desktop. But I just like to drag and drop. I find it easier. And as you can see, it will be uploading. It should go fairly smoothly, really fast, and you can change your title, description, tags, and most of you already know this, you see. And it's just as simple as that. It shouldn't be no more difficult than that. And to upload, I'm actually going to cancel this because that is definitely a video that nobody will want to watch on YouTube. It's a bunch of random things. But here we are. I'm going to go back to my channel, minimize this, and this I'm actually going to delete as well because I'm not going to use that. And we have the project here of our tutorials. I hope this video actually helped you guys and answered some more questions. Be sure to leave more questions in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and everybody have a great day. Later.
Let my life be the proof of your